Hello everyone! Today I wanted to give you all a quick update on how I replaced my GoPro Hero 5 with a GoPro Hero 7. So this all starts about a year ago when I was out flying and a wire on my receiver wiggled loose in the middle of a flight, and obviously the drone fail-safed, and unfortunately it was like, say, 100 feet in the air, came crashing down on pavement right onto the GoPro Hero 4 that I had on it at the time. So that pretty much destroyed that GoPro. And I had to go to Best Buy and spend the money on buying a new Hero 5. And Best Buy has this great program where you can get a protection plan to go along with it. So no matter how you accidentally damage your Hero or your GoPro, you can bring it into Best Buy and get it replaced. So I bought a new Hero 5 and I got that protection plan on it. That was, like I said, just about a year ago. And I've been fortunate in this past year that I didn't have any bad crashes that destroyed or damaged the GoPro in any way. So as my 1 year of protection service was running out, I was looking into what my options were. My original plan was I'd bring it to Best Buy and have that warranty extended for another year. But in this past year, Best Buy discontinued that program. Well, they didn't discontinue the protection plan, but what they discontinued was the ability to extend the protection plan additional years. So I was told that both by my local Best Buy service desk and calling into the Geek Squad, and I got the same answer, that it was not possible to extend the warranty on my Hero 5. So I posted in the Rotor Riot Facebook group what other people have done in this situation and what the suggestions were. And a lot of people don't have a GoPro that lasts for a full year, so it's not really a problem for them. But other people talked about breaking the GoPro or accidentally dropping it and bringing it back in. What I opted to do was to go to Best Buy. I walked into the store and I went to the case where the GoPro 7 Hero 7s were stored, and I got an employee to take one out. And as we're walking up to the front counter, I told them that I had an older GoPro with the protection plan on it that no longer worked, and then that I wanted to use that protection plan to get the Hero 7. So we walked over to the customer service area and started the process of swapping them. Unfortunately, I did not bring all of the cables and parts and boxes and everything that the original Hero 5 was in. So there was a little bit of a discussion back and forth about how much each of the parts I didn't bring was worth, and eventually settled on the fact that I had just about everything except for the USB-C charging cable. And they ended up charging me $15 for that cable that I had at home, and since I don't live that close to the Best Buy, it was not worth my time and the hassle of running back home to get that cable. And I don't know why they wouldn't let me just take the cable out of the new Hero 7's box and give it to them instead, but whatever. In the end, I traded in a perfectly functioning Hero 5, just told them it didn't work, a couple of days before my protection plan ran out, and I paid the cost difference between the Hero 5 and the Hero 7, which was $100, plus the $15 for the USB-C cable, plus the almost $40 for a new 1 year protection plan. And that's how I ended up with a brand new Hero 7. From here on out, my drone videos should be shot on the Hero 7, and hopefully there's a lot of good features in the new 7 and things will look even better. So thanks for watching. See you later.